Recharging procedure. Perform steps 1 through 10 of the complete maintenance 6-year teardown section. Thoroughly clean all parts of the disassembled valve with a soft bristle brush or soft cloth. Blow the valve out with air or nitrogen. Inspect the collar O-ring, valve stem, spring, and down tube assembly, and replace parts if worn or damaged. Lubricate the collar O-ring and small O-ring on the valve stem with Visilox, but do not lubricate the valve stem seal. Reassemble the valve assembly, including the down tube. Remove any chemical remaining in the cylinder and check the condition. Properly dispose of any chemical that is contaminated or caked in accordance with local regulations. Inspect the cylinder interior following CGA Visual Inspection Standards C6. Using an accurate scale, fill cylinder with the correct amount and type of dry chemical specified on the label. Use Amerex chemical which has been kept free of moisture and contamination. Use caution as filling by eye alone could cause potentially dangerous overfilling. Always use a scale. Clean cylinder, collar, O-ring seat, and collar threads with a small brush, and then wipe off surfaces with a clean cloth to remove dust. Lightly brush the collar O-ring seat with Visilox. Carefully center the down tube and install valve assembly hand tight to the cylinder. The bottom of the valve body should touch the top of the cylinder collar. With the extinguisher properly secured in an upright position, attach the nitrogen charging adapter to the valve assembly. Connect your nitrogen pressurizing line with a quick connect to the nitrogen charging adapter. Depress the extinguisher operating lever and pressurize extinguisher with dry nitrogen to the proper operating pressure. When the desired pressure has been reached, release the lever and shut off the nitrogen supply. Check the extinguisher for leaks by applying leak detect fluid or a solution of soapy water to the nitrogen charging adapter orifice, around the collar O-ring sealing area, the cylinder welds, and the gauge. Remove the nitrogen charging adapter. Blow air or nitrogen into the interior of the valve assembly to remove any remaining leak detect fluid. Wipe exterior of the extinguisher to remove any remaining residue. Install the ring pin with ring facing the front of the extinguisher. Install the new tamper seal, record recharge date, and attach a new recharge tag. Reinstall the hose. Weigh the assembled extinguisher and confirm that the total weight is within allowable tolerances indicated in the maintenance section of the nameplate. Thank you for watching our training video. All of this information and more can be found at amerex-fire.com under the products section, where quality is behind the dial.